A lot more time goes into planning a surgery than actually doing it, and that includes determining the exact sizes of the cuts that need to be made. But in order to execute this, the skin needs to somehow be measured. So there are these sterile markers that are specially designed to draw on skin during surgery. You can accurately measure it out and get the line that you will cut along. It can also help to more evenly distribute the local anesthetic before making the incision. Then all that's left to do is take your scalpel blade, attach it to the handle, and follow the line to make the first incision. A lot of the time these surgical markers are purple because this color shows up well on most skin tones. The ink itself is often waterproof, in which case the only way to remove them is by using alcohol wipes. And you're probably wondering, what if the ink gets into the incision? Well, it's antibacterial, antifungal, and non-irritant to tissues, so it's okay if some of it seeps into the broken skin. Some surgeons still prefer to use permanent Sharpie pens, showing that their ink is even more antimicrobial, allowing multiple uses of the same pen. This is more environmentally friendly and cost-effective, so they're wrapped up in sterile pouches and handed to the surgeon.